Hi, you can come inside. How is it? May I confirm your name and age, please?
My name is James Wu, and I'm 57 years old.
So, do you know why you have been called to the hospital today?
Um, I had some back pain in the last few months, and they called me. They have the result for me to come back and discuss it with you guys.
Okay, so I understand that you have visited your GP earlier for similar backaches.
Yeah, um, I paid him a couple of visits, and he told me to come today.
Okay, so you have undergone an X-ray as well as a CT imaging.
Yes, yes,
Were you
but
called after your CT and informed about your results?
um. We had a call about my city, but they didn't enclose much information about it.
Okay, were you explained earlier as to why you would require these imagings?
Sorry?
Were you told why you would need an X-ray or a CT? Were you informed about any possibilities?
Yeah, I had the back pain as I told you earlier, and it was slightly worse. And I started getting numbness down my legs. So my GP suspected sciatica or some slipped slip disc, something like that. And he told me we needed an X-ray to just check things.
Has it gotten worse since then?
Um, it's merely the same. The problem is I'm not sure if just something was minor. I'm usually quite fit, and but I'm sensing there's something wrong.
Okay, so we've got your CT results in today, and the results aren't looking good. They're a little worrisome. So I would like to explain them to you. Would you like somebody to be there with you?
Worrisome? What do you mean by worrisome?
By worrisome, I mean that there are some lesions on your CT. By them, I mean that there are some masses and thickenings. So they may be cancerous. We aren't sure of it, but they mostly look like cancer, and we need to consult a specialist regarding it. I could explain it to you slowly when you are ready for it.
Yeah, I felt something is not going well, and GB insisted that it's going to be something not sinister, and now you're saying, okay, if you can explain it for me, please.
So there are two things that I would like to talk to you about. Firstly, we have found that around your stomach, at the junction where your esophagus and stomach are joining, there are some thickenings and there are some small nodes which are enlarged. So usually they are suggestive of cancer. And we've also found that in the liver, there are some similar lesions. And on your spine, at several areas, there are similar lesions. So one of the regions around the eighth vertebral level, so you are having some similar deposits around your vertebral body, and the height of your vertebra has decreased. So this swelling could be compressing your spine, and that could be causing your numbness and pain.
So it's not just sciatica then.
It doesn't look like a plain sciatica. Your nerves are exiting through your vertebra. So if any mass is compressing your nerves, it could create a similar picture. And your CT is suggestive of a similar picture. So this could be due to secondaries from the cancer.
Okay, so what's our plan now?
So currently, we are not sure as to what the primary location of the cancer is. It could be around your stomach. The next thing is you also have been experiencing numbness and pain around the nerve distribution in the spinal region. So if this compression worsens, it could lead to paralysis. That's something we need to look into. So I'd be referring you to a specialist. I'd be referring you to an oncologist to look into the cancer, to stage it because it has spread to other organs like liver and spine. I would also refer you to a neurosurgeon to see if to see what level of compression is there and what intervention is needed. It may require surgical intervention, but it needs specialist advice. So we'll forward it to a specialist and make sure we get it as soon as possible and you are able to contact them.
Okay, doctor.
Would you like to ask me any questions?
I think you explained most of it, so
So
thank you.
currently, for your discomfort and pain, I'd like to prescribe you analgesics and some steroids to decrease the nerve inflammation as well.
Okay.
So are you allergic to any medication?
No, I'm usually quite fit and well. I don't have any past medical history, so this comes as a shock to me.
Okay. So would you like someone else to accompany you in your next meeting with the specialist?
I would have a talk with my wife, and I guess she would come with me.